Hey guys, how's it going? How to change primary country or region on Instagram. So first of all, open up the Instagram app, okay? And then tap the three horizontal lines in the account settings by clicking right here, profile. Click the horizontal line and then click on the settings. Basically, we are in the settings, and then tap the account info, right, which is your details and everything, and then basically then choose your your desired country region from the list, right? You're gonna be able to see it in your personal informations, and then basically follow any prompts to save your changes. Note, changing your country or region may affect your content and ads shown based on location. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.